In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Convertkit account. If you've decided to move on from Convertkit, perhaps to explore other options or simply wind down your email marketing efforts, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, so let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Convertkit website. This might seem obvious, but it's always good to start from the very beginning. Once you're there, you need to log in. Use your email and password associated with your existing Convertkit account. If, for some reason, you haven't registered yet, you'll need to do so to follow along. Otherwise, just enter your credentials and log in. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This area of the website typically houses user-specific settings and preferences, which is precisely where we need to be for account cancellation. After clicking your profile picture, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Settings, and then go on to choose Billing. This is an essential part of the account management section, where subscription details reside, and it's instrumental for canceling any paid plans you might have. At this stage, keep in mind that account cancellation is predominantly a feature for users on paid plans. Now that you're in the billing section, follow the prompts to cancel your account. Convertkit may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for your cancellation. This step is crucial as it acts as a safety net, ensuring accidental cancellations don't happen. Take your time to go through this process, making sure that canceling your account is indeed your intention. Once everything is confirmed, the cancellation process is official. Shortly after completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email from Convertkit. This email serves as proof that your account has been successfully canceled. Be sure to check your inbox to ensure you receive this email, and don't forget your spam folder, just in case it ends up there. Finally, if you wish to completely close all services associated with your account, you have the option to click on Delete My Kit account. This step will remove all remaining ties you have with the Convertkit service and finalize your departure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've efficiently closed your Convertkit account. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this one.